Well, the COVID-19 pandemic has afforded us a lot of time just to think about what's really important to us and evaluate what's working in our lives and what is not. Tom Purple says one of the changes that you should consider involves the way that you bank. He is the president and CEO of Arundel Federal Savings Bank. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Elsa.
Happy to have you here. So tell me a little bit about Arundel Savings Bank. Federal Savings Bank, rather.
Arundel Federal Savings Bank, we're a mutual bank, which means we have no stockholders. Our depositors are our owners. So we're here to support and serve our depositors. We've been in existence for 114 years. We were founded in 1906.
That sounds a little different. Rather than a bank and a credit union, it's almost like a hybrid. Is that correct?
Well, it's the way banks were formed 100 years ago.
Got it. And you sort of kept that legacy, not sort of, you kept that legacy and that tradition. Right. So talk about how banking with you guys is different, and specifically your mortgage wellness checkups as well.
Well, with the virus, we've encouraged our customers to use our e-services to do all their banking online. That's the safest way to bank with us. If they come to the branch, we encourage them to use the drive up. That's another very safe way to bank. We did open our branches recently, and we have required them to wear masks and have sanitizing stations, and we put up the shields to protect our customers. When I look at, banking being considered an essential business, it's humbling when you compare us to doctors and nurses and the frontline people.
Yeah.
But when I consider what our frontline people go through, it's, they're our heroes, the branch people, the loan officers, because, they have their apprehensions. So.
Right. And they're meeting people at a time when they need their banks. They need to be able to rely on their finances. There's a lot in the air right now, and a lot of things that people have to consider, one of them being their mortgages. And so I want to double back to that mortgage wellness checkup. What exactly is that? What should we be doing?
Well, we do an evaluation of your current mortgage loan, if it's makes sense for you to refinance. If we have customers that come in who are currently renting, we do an evaluation and tell them what they could afford in a mortgage payment, what kind of a house that, what size mortgage they could afford. So it's a way for them to better their lives, or a way for them to ultimately save money down the road. And in these conditions, it's getting tough for a lot of people.
Yes, well, it's helpful to have an expert and someone that you can consult rather than, hey, I want this house, finance it. I mean, you can really have someone sort of diagnose your finances to see what makes the most sense.
Yeah, I mean, we have multiple loan officers who are very knowledgeable, have been doing this for multiple years, and they know their stuff.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. Talk about that special relationship between your staff and the customers that come in daily or go online daily.
I mean, we definitely serve our customers. I mean, that's what we're here for. We're very community oriented. We do a lot of things out in the community. We help at a lunch program at a church each month. So we promote the community, and so helping our customers, making our community better, I feel makes the bank better, makes us stronger.
Agreed. And you've been around for so many years. Obviously, something is.
Obviously, I haven't been here the whole time.
I didn't think you were. But for people who want to get more information about the bank itself, where should they go?
I would say arundelfederal.com is the easiest place. Has all our mortgage rates, all our contact us information.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's great. Everyone's going online now, so that is the way to do it. Well, here's to 100 plus more years.
Yeah, I must add one thing. We are a member of FDIC and an equal housing lender. I have to add that.
Perfect. No, glad you did add that in. Absolutely. Appreciate you being with us, Tom. Really appreciate that. We'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.